Engines don't just quit, they fade, they struggle, they cry out for help. If you catch them early, you can save thousands in repairs. But here's the truth. Your engine can feel brand new again if you know exactly what to do. From sluggish acceleration to rough idling, these aren't signs of the end. They are cries for revival. In this video, I will unlock the 7 secrets to make your engine run like new again. And the last one, even most mechanics avoid to talk about. But it could save you $500 to $800 every year. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Find hidden engine issues using an OBD2 scanner. Modern engines are smart, but only if you know how to listen. If your engine isn't running efficiently and you can't figure out why, chances are it's already trying to tell you through the OBD2 system. With a $20 to $50 OBD2 scanner, you can tap directly into your engine's brain. It reads error codes your car throws when something's wrong, misfires, fuel trim issues, sensor failures, even pending codes that haven't triggered a check engine light yet. Here is how to use it. Step 1. Turn off your engine. Step 2. Plug the OBD2 scanner into your car OBD2 port. Step 3. Turn your key to the on position without starting the engine. For push-button starts, press the button without pressing the brake to enter accessory mode. Step 4. If you're using a handheld OBD2 scanner, it may boot up and give you menu options on its screen. Step 5. From the scanner's menu, choose Read Codes or Scan for DTCs. After a few seconds, the scanner will display error codes such as P0300. Step 6. Write down or take a picture of the codes and find the root cause. A simple code like P0300 indicate a misfiring cylinder due to a worn spark plug, a bad ignition coil, or even a leaking intake valve. Tip number 2. Perform a complete oil system. Flush and use high-quality synthetic oil. Old, degraded oil is like sludge for your engine. Over time, contaminants, moisture, and carbon deposits build up in your oil passages, reducing lubrication and causing premature wear. Performing a professional engine flush clears out this buildup and allows fresh oil to flow freely, revitalizing internal components. It is recommended to change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. But don't just refill with any oil. Invest in high-quality, full synthetic oil. It resists breakdown at high temperatures, provides better cold start protection, and contains superior detergents that keep the engine clean. Regular oil changes with top-tier synthetic oil can dramatically improve compression, reduce noise, and even boost fuel efficiency. Think of it as giving your engine a fresh bloodstream. Tip number 3. Inspect and clean the MAF sensor. The MAF sensor is one of the most critical yet overlooked components in your engine's performance system. It measures the exact volume and density of the air entering the engine, but over time, microscopic particles like dust, oil vapor, and debris from the air filter can coat the MAF sensor's thin wire or film. You should clean your sensor after every 12,000 to 20,000 miles. Cleaning the MAF sensor is an inexpensive but high-impact maintenance step which can make your engine run like new again. Follow these steps to clean your MAF sensor. Step 1. Disconnect the battery to prevent electrical issues. Step 2. Locate the MAF sensor and remove it carefully. Step 3. Now spray the mass airflow sensor cleaner directly onto the wire or film from a safe distance and don't touch or scrub the sensor. Let it air dry completely before reinstalling. Step 4. Reinstall the sensor and reconnect the battery. After cleaning, you may immediately notice a smoother, idle, more linear throttle response and improved fuel economy. Tip number 4. Replace spark plugs and ignition coils. Spark plugs are the heart of combustion. Every time a cylinder fires, it's because a spark plug ignited the compressed air-fuel mixture. Worn plugs can cause incomplete combustion, resulting in misfires, poor throttle response, and loss of power. For most modern engines, spark plugs should be replaced every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Here is how to replace your spark plug. Step 1. Locate the spark plugs. Open the hood and locate the spark plug wires or ignition coils on top of the engine. Step 2. Clean the area around the plugs. Use compressed air or a rag to remove any dirt or debris from around the spark plug holes. Step 3. Remove the ignition coils or wires. Step 4. Remove the old spark plug. Insert the spark plug socket with an extension into the hole and turn counterclockwise. Remove the old plug carefully to avoid damaging the threads. Step 5. Check and adjust the gap on the new plug. Using a spark plug gap gauge, ensure the gap matches your car manufacturer's specification. Step 6. Install the new spark plug. Use a torque wrench to tighten to the recommended torque specification. Step 7. Reinstall the ignition coils or wires. Push the ignition coil back into place and bolt it down. Step 8. Start the engine and test. Tip number 5. Check and fix vacuum leaks. Vacuum leaks may seem minor, but they can wreak havoc on engine performance. The engine relies on a balanced air-fuel ratio determined by the mass airflow sensor and throttle position. When a vacuum hose cracks or a gasket fails, unmetered air enters the intake manifold, throwing off that ratio. This causes symptoms like erratic idle, engine stalling, high fuel consumption, or the check engine light coming on with lean codes like P0171 or P0174. These leaks can be hard to find without a smoke machine, which pushes visible smoke into the intake system and highlights any escaping air. Fixing even a small vacuum leak can instantly stabilize idle, restore lost torque, and bring back smooth engine operation. It's one of those sneaky problems that, once solved, makes the car feel dramatically healthier. Tip number 6. Use high-quality fuel and fuel additives. Not all gasoline is created equal. Some budget stations use fuel that lacks sufficient detergents, which over time allows gunk to build up in the fuel injectors, intake ports, and combustion chambers. These deposits disrupt spray patterns, cause knocking, and reduce fuel atomization, all of which hurt engine performance. Using top-tier gasoline, available from brands like Chevron, Shell, and Exxon, ensures that your engine receives enough cleaning agents during every fill-up. In addition, adding a fuel system cleaner such as Chevron Techron or Seafoam every 3,000 to 5,000 miles helps dissolve and remove carbon deposits in the injectors and valves. These additives can restore injector spray patterns, reduce pinging, pre-detonation, and even smooth out idle. Tip number 7. Replace the engine air filter. Think of your engine as a pair of lungs. It needs clean air to operate efficiently. The engine air filter traps dirt, pollen, insects, and road debris from entering the intake manifold. A clogged filter restricts airflow, forcing the engine to work harder and burn more fuel to compensate. If your filter looks dark brown, full of debris, or hasn't been replaced in 15,000 to 30,000 miles, it's time for a change. Replacing an air filter is very easy. First, open the hood and look for a black plastic box with a large hose coming out of it. It's usually located near the front or side of the engine bay. The housing is typically secured with clips, screws, or wing nuts. Lift the box cover carefully and take out the old air filter. Now, place the new filter in the same orientation as the old one. Make sure it sits flush with the edges of the housing. Reattach the housing cover and secure all clips or screws. After replacement, drivers often report quicker throttle response, smoother acceleration, and even a slight MPG bump. It's a basic upgrade with immediate and measurable benefits. That's all for this video. These are the 7 powerful hacks to make your car engine run like it's brand new. Each of these hacks is battle-tested by mechanics and car enthusiasts across the world, and now they're yours. Got a hack of your own? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it in our next video.